What's up guys, Drew here, and I'm really excited today to show you guys how I DIY'd my camera backpack. So I just graduated college. This is the backpack that carried me through college. It worked pretty well for me. It carried my laptop and notes to and from school, and the best part about it was that it carried my skateboard. Well, I'm finally done with school, so I got to throw away all my old notes that I used to carry around with me. The problem is though, I started to throw my camera gear into this backpack and it doesn't really have any padding or any structure like whatsoever, so I needed to buy a new backpack. Even with all these sweet compartments, this bag has a fatal flaw. It won't fit a skateboard. Not a problem though, because I have taken it upon myself to make this backpack suitable for cameras and a skateboard. So the idea was to sew on 2 D-loop Velcro straps on the camera bag, similar to my college backpack. I started by checking out where the straps were attached to the original bag, then I tried to reverse engineer to the best of my ability to ghetto rig the new straps onto my camera bag. This was my first time sewing through heavy duty nylon, so I watched a few YouTube tutorials and thought it would be easy enough. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. My stitches looked horrible and I poked myself a million times with the needle. But in the end, the strap seemed pretty solid. What's up guys, Editing Drew here. I stopped filming after the first strap because it was already like 1 AM when I finished it, and I just wanted to finish the project so I could go to sleep. But sorry I didn't film the end of the process. The next day, it was time to test out the backpack. So I went with my roommate to my college and met up with my brother to test out the new bag and have a little filming session. It had been almost 2 years since I went back to campus, and I was honestly pretty emotional. The pandemic pretty much deleted my junior and senior years, and even though I still lived in the city, seeing all these new faces brought out some nostalgic feelings from my college days that I didn't know I had. My brother's a freshman here now, and I'm happy that he gets to be a part of Campus Life. I had this idea of a DIY video about a backpack, but now I kind of want this conclusion to be an appreciation movie to the backpack that treated me so well during college, and I want to treat this new bag as sort of like a romanticized symbol of post-college life. Well, thank you for watching and enjoy this B-roll.
I guess it's not cheesy.